lang sa lupa'y para akong inaalon at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko. Bigang-biga na sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad, parang wala nang bukas. O pwede bang umiiwas? Hinahanap ang sarili, ngunit di na kakayanin sa ligaw na dinadaanan ko. Saan na to patungo? Saan ako patungo? Oh, oh. Dahan-dahan nating simulan muli ang paghakbang, at dahan-dahang tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang aking kagandahan. Dahan-dahang iangat ang mukha upang masilayan ang payapang kalangitan. Oo, pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-isa, kaya lumaban ka at sabihin, ako naman muna. Kada langhap sa hangin, pansin ko na lagi na lang usok. Walang malinis, lahat puro polusyon. Parang ako raw na konsumisyon. Oh, dahan-dahan natin simulan muli ang paghakbang. At dahan-dahang tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang aking kagandahan. Dahan-dahang iangat ang mukha upang masilayan ang payapang kalangitan. Dahan-dahan natin simulan muli ang paghakbang. Dahan-dahan tumingin sa salamin upang makita paghabang. Dahan-dahan tumingin sa salamin upang makita. Dahan-dahan nating simulan muli ang paghakbang. Oh, 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 oh. Dahan-dahang tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang aking kagandahan. Dahan-dahang iangat ang mukha upang masilayan ang payapang kalangitan. Ano, pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-isa. Kaya't lumaban ka at sabihin, ako naman muna.
Hello po kay Sir Rex Lobaton Rex. Advance happy birthday po sa inyo and many more birthdays to come and sana makapag happy birthday po and enjoy po.
Lobaton Rex, happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy mo yung special day mo and God bless you. See you soon.
Hi Rex, it's me McCoy. Gusto kitang batiin na happy birthday. Stay healthy. More blessings to come. Enjoy your day. Ayun, di pa ako naliligo. Enjoy. Happy birthday.
Hi Rex, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka parate. Love you.
Hello, Bes. Happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Gala tayo soon.
Hi everyone, this is Princess Paskin and I would like to greet happy birthday Rex Lobaton. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday and see you soon.
Hi, this is Ramuel Esgalia, also known as Prince Adrian, the owner of Aura Bar, kung saan nalasing ka na, may aura ka pa. And of course, binabati ko ng happy birthday si Sir Rex Lobaton. Happy birthday sir and see you at Aura Bar.
Hi Rex, I just want to greet you that happy birthday and more blessings to come and good health for you and sa family mo and also mag-ingat ka palagi and see you soon yun lang. Enjoy your day and happy birthday again.
Rexy, Jenny Sto, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat.
Hi, Bes. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Miss you. Hi, Bes. Happy birthday. Uwi ka na dito sa I love you so much. Happy birthday, Bes. Love you.
Hi Rex, happy birthday sa'yo and sana mapadalan mo ako ng Shanghai ngayong birthday mo. Patikin na ng Shanghai mo. Joke lang. Mag-enjoy ka ngayong special day mo and hope to meet you soon. Sana makapag-banding tayo. Ay mag-iingat ka palagi and sana matupad mo lahat ng mga wishes mo sa buhay. Bye!
Hi Rex, happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lahat ng wish mo matupad. Then, ingat na lang palagi. More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. God bless.
Ayan, I want to greet you a happy birthday Rex. Ayan, wish you more birthday to come, good health and happy life. Ayan, more birthday to come and enjoy life. Thank you. Happy birthday again Rex. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday Rex. I wish you good health and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi Kuya Rex, happy birthday. Wish ko sa is good health and sana matupad lahat ang pangarap mo and more birthdays to come. Hope to see you soon.
Hi Master, sorry nakabad pa ako pero first and foremost, happy birthday Rex. I hope you enjoy this day. More memories na makasama ka pa namin sa mga banding and galas in Inuman. So enjoy your day. We love you so much.
Hi Rex, happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your special day. God bless you.
Hi Kuya Rex, I just wanted to take this moment to wish you a happiest birthday and you are truly amazing in every way and I hope that you enjoy your special day. Miss you Kuya.
Happy birthday Rex. I hope you enjoy your birthday. So wish you all the best, good health and also mag-iingat ka palagi. So see you soon. Sana magkita tayo. Salamat. Bye-bye.
Hi, hello Rex. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo and God will always protect and guide you and He will give you strength and good health. Always take care. Sana magka-banding pa tayo. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my brother, my friend. May this day be full of joy and love without end. Happy birthday to a star that shines so bright. Happy birthday, Rex.
Hello Rex! Nak Rex, happiest birthday. Wishing you more and more birthdays to come. So, I do hope that you enjoy your birthday and I do hope that you continue your journey in this life. Most especially, not only as a student, pero in this life. I do hope also that you continue on helping others and also helping your family. Kasi, very good ka sa akin dyan. Although you're not my student anymore, palagi mo tatandaan na palagi nandito Sir Galvez at palagi akong nandito para sa'yo. Keep yourself on that track. Do not hesitate to do something na alam mo naman na kayang-kaya mo. Sana ay mag-iingat ka palagi. Banding tayo soon and I wish you good health, more years. Ingatan mo sarili mo, ingatan mo ang buong pamilya mo, ingatan mo yung mga taong nagmamahal sa iyo at higit sa lahat, ingatan mo yung kasama mo sa bahay nyo. Hindi ko napapahabain itong video na to, baka umiyak pa ako dito eh. Pero sana magkita ulit tayo kasi miss ko na yung mga kwentuhan natin, yung bonding natin. Higit sa lahat, miss ko na rin yung kain natin. Like, literal na Andy kong Andy. Thank you then for being a good, not student. Hindi kita, I mean like, tinutuloy kita ng student siya dahil estudyante kita. Tinutuloy din kitang like anak. Someone that is special sa akin. So, ayun lang. Happiest birthday and magpakabait ka palalo. Please, magpakabait ka palalo. Huwag na wag ka magbabago. At tapusin mo yung pag-aaral. Yun lang. Ingat ka palagi and enjoy.
Hi Rex, just wanna greet you a happy birthday. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. Ingat ka palagi and sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng malakas na pangatawan. Bless you Rex. See ya.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. I miss you so much. Hindi na ako magdadrama. Pause pa nga ako. Basahin mo ang chat ko. Baka umiyak pa ako dito, mahirap na. Tanda mo na.
Happy birthday, Rex. Ingat ka palagi. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. See you soon and God bless. Happy birthday.
Hi Rex, happy birthday and sana maging masaya ka sa araw na to and more blessing to come this 2026.
So happy birthday Rex. I hope you meet you soon. Enjoy your day. I wish you all the best. Be humble and always put God center of your heart and ingat palagi.
Hi Rex, happy birthday. More birthday to come. God bless you. Keep safe always and enjoy. Happy birthday. Ingat.
Hi Rex, this is Hero. I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. Wishing you a year full of blessings, success, and happiness in everything you do. Enjoy your special day, have lots of fun, and celebrate big. You deserve it. Ciao!
Hey Rex, happy birthday. Sana bumait ka na. Sana marami ka pang birthday na ma-celebrate. And sana maging successful ka. Of course, sana maging masaya ka today ngayong birthday mo. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi! Happy birthday nga pala kay Rex Subaton na magbe-birthday po ngayon. Wish you all the best in life and more birthdays to come po. And have a blessed po. Bye!
Hi Boss Rex, I just wanna greet you na happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi and enjoy your day. See you soon.